Hi, I'm Robert Seiss. I'm a homeowner here in San Diego, California, in the Claremont Mesa area. We originally reached out to Valley Habitat through the Thumbtack app. We started with one of our showers in our upstairs bathroom. We had some tiles in there that were cracked. They were able to provide us with an estimate and very detailed description of how this would all play out. Once we received the estimate, we went ahead and accepted it. The process was very smooth and very seamless, which was actually quite nice for those of us who are busy individuals. I think one of the things that I found most impressive, that the foreman came out to the house with the team and actually walked them through specifically what was going to be done. We knew how long it was going to take. They did an amazing job in the amount of time as they had quoted us. No extra costs were associated with anything, and the quality of work was outstanding. Quality of work was so well that we actually reached out to them to do a second project, actually within a time frame of about 2 weeks later. And this is actually the wall that I'm standing, right next to here. We actually had them replace basically put some stone tiles on this particular wall here to create an accent wall in our patio. I would highly recommend Valley Habitat, and in the future, if there's any other work, we reach out to them to request additional work for us.